Hello everyone, this is Hanan. Welcome to Conflict News. Viewers, air raid alert in Kyiv right now, and sounds of explosion in the surroundings of Kyiv. Last night, Kyiv was under fire, and now in day Russia is targeting surrounding areas of Kyiv. Military administrations of Kyiv and Kyiv region confirm a Russian rocket attack and air defense at work right now. After a sleepless night, we are attacked in the day. That's military admin and Kyiv region are confirming. A city with millions of people, thousands of children is attacked by mad people with weapons, and the attack continues. That's what Ukraine and military administration of Kyiv and Kyiv region are saying, are confirming. Viewers, if you talk about the last night attack in the early morning of 29th May 2023, Russian occupants attacked military facilities and objects of critical infrastructure of Ukraine with missiles and strike drones. And Russia is doing this from last couple of days. They are attacking military facilities in the surrounding areas of Kyiv, and they are doing in the night. Now, today they attack in the day as well. Viewers, this time about the last night, early morning on 29th May, the enemy launched up to 40 missiles and from the direction of Caspian Sea area. Whereas from one day ago, Russian targeted surroundings of Kyiv from different locations, from north and south to different directions. Again, today in the early morning, from north and south direction, the Russian attacked with Iranian Gulf Shahid and 35 impact drones in total, where during the night the air defense worked in the areas of responsibility. Total 67 air targets were destroyed by the forces of means of air command. That's what Ukraine and defense forces of Ukraine are claiming. Viewers, as per the Kyiv media, air defense at work right now in Kyiv. Air raid alert is there with several explosions here in the capital today, even around 11 o'clock in the morning. If you talk about the last night total 30 drones and 37 cruise missiles shot down overnight in Ukraine. Ukraine air defense successfully intercepted 29 Shahid kamikaze drones and one reconnaissance drone and 37 Kh-101 and Kh-555 cruise missiles, as per the reporting of Ukraine Air Force. Viewers, a local resident report a series of powerful explosions and air defense system in Kyiv. At the moment, Russian troops continue to strike an enemy targets in the capital. And that's what the plan of Russia is, to target surrounding areas of Kyiv, and they want to keep and engage these air defense system and air defense forces of especially Kyiv as much as they want. As per the another report, Ukraine has almost all Turkish-made TB2 attack unmanned aerial vehicles. As per the Business Insider report, they lost all of them. So let's see, it will be interesting to see. Tayyip Erdogan is another again selected. Will he provide TB2 the same Turkish-made unarmed aerial vehicles to Ukraine again or not? It will be interesting to see. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about now Russia has started to attack Ukraine capital Kyiv and the surrounding areas, okay, in the day as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you.